Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Ryan and welcome to my channel. I'm pretty obsessive and I hate spending money. This channel is all about DIY projects, how you can find solutions to common household problems. I have more than 12 years of experience, 3 homes under my belt, and I'm no professional at all, just a DIYer, but I've got some great tips to share with you, including lots of mistakes that I've made along the way. I also recommend cool buys for your home, things like a gas grill or a new kid's bike or a fire pit, things like that. I have figured out a way to save thousands of dollars every year by doing the work myself and thoroughly vetting any purchases that I buy, right? So I do things smartly. For example, this is my bathroom renovation project that I did. Who would think to put a wood countertop in a bathroom, right? And here is one of my other cool projects. I put up the shower glass door. I had never done that before. I think anybody can benefit from my videos. Things like, how do you install a bathroom faucet? How do you tile? How do you change the filter in your HVAC? Yeah, you need to know, you need to be able to do that, right? That's like an essential skill. So it's my hope that after you watch my videos, you feel empowered to learn and try something new. That's what this channel is all about, and I'm gonna help you along the way. So welcome to our growing community of DIYers. Enjoy, learn, and don't forget to click that subscribe button right now. Make sure notifications are turned on. I put out new videos every week or so. Thank you so much. Look forward to seeing you in my videos. Much peace and much love.